Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, which is 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 1,500 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a very nice Peerless saw. This is a fully automatic bandsaw. One of the most important things in an automatic, obviously, is your bar feed. So you're going to see the hitch type feed right here. What that means is it's going to open up and close each time, advance your material each time. The head of the bandsaw is going to come in, cut, go back, and it's going to repeat the action over and over. You'll also notice when you come a little closer is that we have a full head tilt. You'll have all the different tilting options that you want to do on there for all your mitering, and you can do that as well in the automatic mode. All right, so the first thing we do to start the machines, we're going to start the piece counter, and we go ahead and reset it. And we're back down to 0. We're going to have a 2-piece part. That's how many times it's going to go for each section. And we'll go ahead and start the machine. You can see the blade is going right now. There's a nice little digital indicator right here for your increase and decrease in blade speed. Right now we have it in manual mode. You'll notice it's in manual mode. So we can show you just a few of the manual options. First one you have here is your retract and open of your vise. Right now we're going to bring the head automatically in. And it does have a sensor right now, so as soon as we set this up to stop at this area, once it came in, it hit the limit switch, stopped, and went right back. And that'll get you to be able to cut the same part each time. We'll go ahead and put it into manual mode now. Automatic. You'll hear everything kind of moving around, everything's getting set for the automatic mode. And we'll just simply advance the machine. First thing you'll notice here is the hitch feed. First thing it did was there's a very small clamp. It's only like a less of a quarter of an inch to get the final tightness. Of course, you can adjust to any different size you want here. You'll notice it moving it right up. Here's the second part of the clamp. It moved it, it clamped it. Now you can see it would be cutting. Once it completes the cut, it goes back and back to the hitch feed. Grab the part back down, and now it's going to keep advancing. So we did our first part already. Now we're moving to our second. You may not be able to see, but inside here we do have a piece of wood because this does have an out-of-stock sensor. So that'll go ahead, and once the piece is done, or if you're out of your stock, it'll automatically shut it off. So you'll notice here we got our pieces, and everything is done. So as you can see, everything's been stopped on the machine. If you wanted to restart everything, of course we'd hit our reset switch. You could set your parts to any different parts that you want to add here. You can see we set it to 2. It's completed 2 functions all the way through, fed it through and cut, and everything is off. Now if you're interested in this machine or any other, we do carry all different types of bandsaws, new and used, automatic, manual, just about any type you might need. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for current inventory, including some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.